There are colors all around us and they are found on objects. Yes, objects come in different colors. But how can you tell the different colors? In today's lesson, you will learn how to find primary colors on objects around you. Primary colors are colors that can be mixed to make other colors. They are red, yellow, blue, and sometimes green. Now, you will learn about the primary colors one by one and objects they can be found on. This is the color BLUE, blue. That's a blue balloon flying into the blue sky. Now, look around you. Touch a blue object around you. This is color RED, red. I have a red apple. My teacher has a red pen. Red tomato. Red is also the color of blood, which comes out when we hurt ourselves. Can you find any red objects around you? This is the color GREEN, green. Green is the color of grass, leaves, plants, and vegetables. We also have the color yellow. The color YELLOW, yellow, is the color of the sun. It is also the color of sunflowers. Say yellow flower. Blue, red, green, and yellow are called primary colors because when mixed, they make up other colors. Now you know your primary colors. We will play a little game. Point at the red car. Hooray! There you go. Point at the yellow balloon. Bravo! It has been an amazing time teaching you about primary colors. Let's see if you remember what you have learned. Number 1. What are primary colors? Primary colors are colors that can be mixed to make other colors. Number 2. What are the primary colors? They are red, blue, yellow, and green. Bye for now and see you next time.